What's the meaning of alpine? Alpine. 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 Alpine.
The word alpine typically refers to anything related to or resembling the Alps, a mountain range in Europe. It can also describe plants and animals that are native to high altitudes, or sports and activities that are popular in mountainous regions. Additionally, alpine can be used to describe cold and snowy conditions, as well as the durable and hardy gear required for such environments. Overall, alpine is a versatile term that evokes images of rugged and beautiful landscapes, challenging outdoor pursuits, and a strong sense of adventure.